Whew. Alright, so Dilla, in case you're playing with Unity. Alright, so you can see my Unity up there. I need to let's have a look. So the project, what we haven't got in all of this is cubes. Now, this core green has within its code void on mouse down. So I must create a cube. That code must be stuck into that. So I'm really just going to go right click, 3D object, right click, 3D object, cube, and there it is. Alright, so how to add that code? So on click. I don't know this. You might have to Google this. Is trigger box collider. Well, yeah. I think, is it this? I select physics material. So if I've got materials, can I make what's that, green? What green? Can I drop green onto this? Oh, I can. Oh, that's interesting. So that was an interesting way of doing it. So I've made that green. Can I throw edit collider? Hold on, I have to click in edit collider. I don't want edit collider. Let's see if I can. So under my scripts, call green. Can't drop it in there. There must be a way of dropping this code in, and usually it's really easy. I should just be able to drag it, move it around, and drop it somewhere. Oh! Has it added? Oh! Wow. Well, there's a way of doing it. Your job, get that code in. I've made it green. This is a code to make it spin. And again, what if I just drop it onto the cube? Is that added on? I don't think so. Let's drop the green code on. Ooh. Ooh. Cog, I've got it. I think I've got it. Remove component. I think I've got it on. Anyway, all loaded up on YouTube, sending it to you via WhatsApp. Enjoy. If you click that and you got the Arduino in, it should work. Okie dokie. See you later, alligator. Ta ta ta.